Hey, what's up? As you can see, I was able to do almost 10K last month. Did that make me a super affiliate now? What's good with y'all? It's Cortez back at it with a new video. Got some new content for y'all. I plan on at least posting, starting next week, at least one video a day of just content, helping you guys out for your marketing career with CPA. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long on this video. Just want to show y'all some results from last month. I hit my goal. I'm gonna show you what that goal is. So I'm just load up. Also, as you can see, I haven't been running a lot of traffic out of this one anymore, and that's only because Cashnetwork has upgraded to a new tracking platform. It's pretty cool. I like it so far. I'm actually refresh it. See, might should go up some more while we live. Okay, then, but we'll check it more at the end. But as you see, this so far for the day, so far for the week, like, and it's only Thursday. But to get back to this, reports. And then we're gonna go to last month. Bam. As you see, the first to the 30th, but I was able to do over $9,000. Now my goal that month was to do 10K. I would have hit it, but Cashnetwork was changing over their platforms. So the offer I was using transferring to the new one, so it shut down for like at least 3 to 4 days. I just cut everything back on Monday, so I was trending way over to hit 10. I should have hit around like 12 because I was around this and it cut off. I cut traffic off on that Thursday, so that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, that's 3 days I wasn't running traffic. And as you see, also I actually got into my first big numbers, uh 1400, 1300 in one day. This day would have been another 1400 day, but I had to cut my traffic off that day, and then this when it was off, and these are just other little offers I was testing out, and then I went to the new platform. But it's just to show you like proof I did it. EPC's 34 cents, which is not super crazy, but it is because my picture data is growing. I'm only paying between 6 to 10 cents per click on the backside, so super profitable. I think all my campaigns mostly doing like 2 to 2.4x. But yeah, that's just some results. Like I said, new content is gonna be coming. Make sure you like this video, share, subscribe, comment. If y'all want to like see different things, whether it's from setting up campaigns, um, any questions or whatever, just let me know and I create some content on it, help everybody else grow. But like I said, we gonna hit 6 figure this year. Um, and like you said, and I'm gonna take the same money, I'm gonna reinvest it, and I'm gonna scale up. And in the new content, what I plan on doing, like I said, about next week, next video that y'all will see, I have it ramped up where I'm at least doing at least 10K a month. No joke.